Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Mom, go there, go there. Happy birthday to you.
Shasha Padilla, sobrang meaningful at napakasaya na naging birthday celebration ngayong nagkakaedad na nga siya. Nadagdagan na naman ng 1 taon ng kanyang birthday, subalit napakaganda pa rin at fresh looking. Hindi nagbabago ang itsura. Napakasaya with family, friends at syempre loved ones niya. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Ngayong birthday niya, sobra ang pasasalamat niya sa kanyang divine angels. For nearly 30 years, you've stood by me, some of you since the beginning, others joining along the way, from the original batch to the mid-batch, and now our sweet baby angels. Each of you holds a special place in my heart. For my birthday, I just wanted to give back a little of the joy you've given me. Thank you for making every show, guesting, and milestone brighter with your love, banners, cheers, and surprises. Your loyalty and support mean more than words can say. I love you, my divine angels. Kanyang divine angel, simula umpisa pa lamang ng career niya ay nariyan na ang mga ito, ang kanyang fans club. Mula sa kanyang angel, congratulations and happy birthday, Nay. I'm happy to see all the photos and videos. Feeling ko, andyan din ako. I'm proud to be one of your original divine angels. Love you forever and I miss you so much, Shasha Padilla. Maraming ang birthday celebration ang naganap ngayong birthday ni Miss Shasha Padilla at syempre ipinaghanda rin siya ng kanyang nag-iisang anak na si Karil. Sabi nga ni Karil, happy birthday Mama Shasha, we love you. Celebrating you Mama on your sweet 61 party at Sala Dining. Congratulations on your 42 years in music. Tomorrow, a new episode with Mama talking about her recently concluded concert. Through the years, Shasha will be on my K-Drama podcast.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Mom, go there, go there. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Go there,
Ibang klase talaga ang celebration ng isang diva. Talagang hindi lang isa, not twice, not thrice. Talagang continuous ang celebration. Ngayon nga ay 61 years old na ito si Shasha Padilla at hindi pa rin halata sa kanyang itsura. Sabi niya dito about last night, thank you Conrad for the beautiful birthday dinner. Love the food, the company, and all the love. Ito ay handa rin ng kanyang asawa na si Mr. Conrad at invited ang mga malalapit na kaibigan, lalong-lalo na ang mga singer, mga sikat na sina Regine Velasquez at syempre nariyan din si Dr. Vicky Bello. Hanggang ngayon nga ay marami pa rin ang bumabati at nagbibigay ng birthday greetings sa birthday celebrant na si Miss Shasha Padilla. Sabi nga dito ng isang commenter, "Aho, ang saya, beautiful divine angels, you are loved. Happy birthday, Shasha Padilla." At bumati nga rin ang ilan sa mga sikat at patikang artista na mga kaibigan ni Shasha, kagaya na lamang ni Miss Carmi Martin. Happy birthday to you, Sashing! So happy for you! At mula naman kay Miss Don Sulweta, ang isa sa pinakamagandang artista, happy birthday, Shasha Padilla. Mula naman din kay Sunshine Cruz na talaga naman pabata ng pabata, happy birthday, Miss Z. Mula kay Yula Valdez, happy birthday, Shasha Padilla. At mula kay Melissa Mendez, happy birthday. Mula naman kay Alan K, happy birthday. Isa naman sa pinakamasayang pakiramdam at pinakamasarap sa pakiramdam ay ang mapasaya ang kanyang magulang, ang kanyang Mami Manga. Sabi nga niya sa post, "This is the life, Manga." Manga kasi ang tawag niya sa kanyang mami, sa lola nitong si Karil. Meet my abuela Esperanza, Kating Perez Padilla. Marami ang natutuwa pag nakikita nila na ipinapasyal nga ang kanilang Manga. Sabi dito ni Kate, "So cute." Sabi naman ni Anna Karil, "We need to hang out again and have Chef Webby cook. I hope Chef Pace won't end yet." Isa sa mga commenter na natatouch tuwing nakikita ang lola ni Karil. Sabi dito ni Isabella Gonzalez, "Are you abroad or is your Manga here? She reminds me of my lola. I remember when they were standing side by side at a show long ago, they looked like they could have been sisters nga. Viva la Manga." Nakakatuwa nga rin at malakas-lakas pa ang lola ni Anna Karil at ang mami naman nitong si Shasha Padilla. Masaya nga siya na naipapasyal siya ng kanyang apo at ng kanyang anak na si Shasha. Sabi nga dito, "Wow, your Manga still strong and walking pa. How old is she? I hope my mom still like her strong and walking. She's younger than your lola. Take care."